How to fix Discord call mic not working. Today guys I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then go to apps option. Then here search for Discord. And when you found it, just click on it. You will find this page. Go to storage. Click on clear data. Click OK and go back and click on force stop. And the last thing is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribing in our channel. See you in another videos.